This is a reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. My name is Naina Sharma and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate named Sanamdeep Kaur and whose candidate number is 111103.
Yes.
So shall we start?
Yes.
What is your full name?
My full name is Sanamdeep Kaur.
How may I address you?
You may address me with my first name, Sanam.
Do you like your name?
Yes, I like your name because my name has special meaning like beloved.
Okay. Where are you from?
I come from a small village, Snarsi, which is located between Rajpura and Ambara city.
Do you work or study?
Well, I am a student. I have recently completed my senior secondary examination from NTC School Rajpura and now I am pursuing my BSc Non-Medical from Swite College.
Okay. Now let's talk about science classes. Okay. Do you like science?
Yes, I like science because it is interesting subject as well as it relates to environment.
Did you enjoy learning science in primary or high school?
Well, I like to enjoy learning science as well as secondary school and in primary school because it is very interesting.
Do you think it's important to study science?
Yes, it is very important to study science because it relates to our environments and surroundings.
What kind of science did you learn at school?
Well, I like to learn science related to physics, chemistry, and bio.
Do you think youngsters are now interested in science?
Yes, most of the youngsters in modern times interested to learn science because it is very important subject in modern times.
Do you like to take science as your occupation in future?
Yes, I like to take science because I interested in it as well as it has many job opportunities in science.
What is the benefit of studying science?
Well, there are multifarious benefits of studying science because it relates to our environment as well as there are different benefits like we have a depth knowledge of our environment and surroundings.
Okay. Now this is the end of part 1. Now we'll start your part 2. Cue card round. Here it is your cue card with some questions. You have 1 minute to plan your ideas. If you want to use, you can use notepad and pencil. After that you have to speak for 2 minutes on this topic.
Well, not everyone is blessed with creativity, but I think painting is a type of creativity. So I believe that I blessed with this. I blessed with painting because I like painting as well as I do different kinds of painting. And here I would like to talk about a situation when my friend asked me to help them in a competition. So therefore, we both, me and my friend, try to do painting in that competition as a team because at that time he is not able to do painting alone because he do not know what he do. So I try to help him on that day. It was a time of last year when he was in his plus 2 examination and the competition of painting is held the next day when he asked me to do his help. Then I helped her in painting, like I try to help them in painting with using my imagination. Then I highlight the idea of drugs in painting. In the left side of the painting I draw a big cigarette that is very big in size. on the left side I draw a human being. That is, it shows the drugs have an adverse impact on the human beings and the life of human beings, as well as drugs leads to human beings to the death. So this is the painting that I do with my friend as a team, and after doing the painting, my friend won the second prize for this painting, and I very proud of this activity, as well as I feel a satisfaction.
You done? May I take this? Thank you. Now I'll ask you some more questions on this, follow-up questions. Are team activities popular in the community around you?
Yes, team activities are very popular in modern times, because when we work in a team, then it active the productive part of our mind.
What kind of qualities can you learn in a team?
Well, there are different kind of activities, and that we learn when we work in a team. Like we have to learn about the then we learn about how can we cooperate with each other in a team.
Do you think team leaders are important in a team?
Yes, team leaders are very important in a team, because they are direct the team about what they work and about which thing they are working.
Okay. Why do companies practice team activities? Why do companies practice team activities?
Well, companies practice team activity because when people work in a team, then it enhance their intelligence, as well as their productive area of their brain. So it helps in the concentration of their work.
Do you think employees are motivated better by team activities than doing it themselves?
Yes, employers are. Repeat first one.
Do you think employees are motivated better by team activities than
No.
doing it themselves?
No, I don't think so, because when employers are working alone, then they are motivated more than the team activity, because when they work alone, then they know how to tackle the problem by their own. But when they work in a team, then they are dependent on the other person that are involved in the team.
Why do you think sports team performs so well? Why do you think sports team performs so well? Performs so well.
I think the sports team which performs well, because there are different people in the team, as well as they have different opinion and perspective view, and as a result they result as a different type of activities, as well as their productive and production is increased.
Okay. We are done with your test.
Okay.
Thank you so much.